this is a fantastic event. One, for the learning, and two, for the camaraderie and the partnerships here.
In the virtual world these days, I'm not traveling to customers, I'm not seeing them, so just getting more face time with everybody has been huge with me.
It's almost kind of like a good barometer to see, what's coming next, what struggles customers are trying to solve, and just connecting with friends that you haven't seen in a while.
I mean, you forget how much underlying technology is there, what Oracle's actual roadmap is. It's not just an applications company, but kind of pioneering everything out there from AI and all of that. Just reminds me that there's more to it.
It's everything that you can think of, and you can just hope your organization will be willing to adapt to. Like, it's just a new world of experience, and it's amazing.